Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix you can't send message to this account, which means if you try to send a message on a messenger on a specific account and you are shown that you can't send a message to that account, so how you can fix that. So the first reason is that that person has a privacy restriction, that he has not allowed anyone to message directly. So for this, what you have to do, you have to send them a friend request, and after that, if they accept your friend request, then you will be able to message them. Moreover, you can also send them message request on any other social media platform so that they can help you. So the second reason is that they have blocked you on Messenger. So that's why they are showing that you cannot send the message to this account. And the third reason is that you have accidentally blocked that person on Messenger. So if someone blocks you, you can also cannot send message to that person. So moreover, there can also be a reason that that person has recently deactivated or deleted their account. That's why you cannot send the message to that person. So now if you want to send the message, how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply grab one of your friends uh, device, and you have to simply message to them, that person, from their account. And after that, if they connect to you, then you can request them so that they can message you a friend request, and you can have a chat on Messenger. And if it cannot be done, then what you can do is you can simply connect to them any other social media platform and request them to message you. So there are many reasons for that. So one of the reasons I have explained to you. So hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.